nigetha mathome tiribiti ya coe gaka niko nduite mami etagwo Wakari so ikiago kanekera gathome tiribiti no kubahikitie muno kana tiguo ndaitere. Thank you.
Praise God. Praise God again. My name is Ngaruiya, the first Ngaruiya Junior. I'm humbly requested to read this tribute. In the quiet moments since your departure, Grandma, I find myself surrounded by echoes of your laughter and warmth of your embrace. Your departure has left a void cannot be filled, and the heart itches with grief. Yet, I'm grateful to countless memories. We shared bedtime stories, the comforting meals, and the unwearying love that define our relationship. Your departure leaves an emptiness that words cannot be expressed, and I found myself only in cherished memories we spent together. Your kitchen once filled with aroma of your cooking. Now echoes with silent sobs of your grief heart. Though you may have left this world, your love remains eternal life within me. Rest in peace, dear Grandma. Your legacy of love will be my guiding light.
Praise God. Praise God again. My name is Gutuma, and I want to read into a tribute. You may have passed on, but your memories will always live on within us. Thank you for the sacrifices that you have concerned. Your memory, love, and everything that you have done for me. Whoever you are, I know you are much in a better place. I will be grateful and thankful for you are my grandmother. Thank you.
Before I get married, but my brother is my brother, Tago Karaja, Oreirohe. One my sister, Tago Monica. I am giving you a time. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. No to my many hidden in the next mood. No more than a Thursday. Ne to come ahead hidden or yote. So the mother now moving to try and the amount of mail. Apart from family no corona, very low. The trauma of a bill in the mono. Area more in my family. No go to get my military quality. Ne to come ahead hidden a quality of the Yawa Thursday. Nambio makamuta ushakaya mamua ukana shosho wao la Korea kwa ushie sikutia. Leo nangitio kinene Breda Ohariamuri, chairman of the Appalachian Tacos. Ohariamuri Rugamaina Igoro. Tiga chairman wake yale engineer Mauro Shono Teko Rugama Agekorobe Cúcú na chairman